As I said, we're using an all-clad pan, not a non-stick pan, because we want the onions to get nice and brown. Okay, why do I say caramelize? Cook the onions. That's unsalted butter, by the way. As opposed to just cook the onions or sweat the onions. What you do when you caramelize anything, a lot of times it's onions or some kind of onion, is you want to cook it slowly over a medium heat, medium to low heat, so that the onions brown, they're going to deepen in flavor and they're going to deepen in color. And that happens over time. Get our butter melted. Okay. Okay, we get our onions in the pan. There they go. Now you want as much of the surface of the onion as possible to hit the pan. And that's going to allow them to brown. If they're all piled up in a clump, they're not going to brown. You want as much surface of the food, in this case onion, to hit as much surface of the pan as possible. Now, to aid the caramelizing process and to help with the flavor, some coarse salt, some freshly ground pepper, and this helps too, a little bit of sugar. This is organic coarse sugar. Onions at their heart are really sweet. This is just going to go a little bit further to bring out the sweetness of the onion. Okay? Resist the effort to move them around. What you really want to do is leave them alone and let them do their thing. Let them caramelize. If you're moving them around, you're removing them from the surface of the pan. You really want them to sit flat on the pan as much as possible. That's going to take about 10 minutes. When we come back, we're going to cook our mushrooms.